Sometimes Simba cannot handle me. That's okay. What's up, team baby? No, I didn't like that one. What's up, team baby? Alright, you guys, today we are here with a try-on video. As you could tell by the title, I'm very excited to show you guys these clothes because they are fuego. And I have one of them on right now, so that's why I'm not standing up so you can't see it 'cause it's a surprise. But we have 3 items, and these are more like on the go items. So like I would wear these out if I'm going anywhere. Like the one I have on right now might, you can't, I'll explain to you, can't really tell, but it's like what is that material? It's very soft. It's not like a regular bodysuit where it's like a stretchy cotton. But let me start to put on the little, I had to have help my mom tie these because I couldn't, your girl couldn't do it herself. So I will show you guys the brand of these. Their name is, I really hope you guys, as you could tell from my try-on videos, I am not that good at saying names. Shein. I will show you the bag, and it's up above what in the title what has Shein, but I'm not very good at pronouncing names, so sorry. But anyways, I got 3 really cute items. I actually got 4, but one of them didn't fit over the junk in the back, and I had to let them know that it got right below, but I could not get it over the booty gates. It just was not happening. So that's the one I tried on, the shorts that I couldn't get over. The other ones I didn't try them on all yet, so you guys will see. Ladies and gentlemen, I will leave all the sizes down below in the description as always, and the link to which one I got. So if you really enjoy this, or if you want to gift it for somebody else, you will know which one where to get it. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. So, oh, and another thing before I start, sorry. I was gonna make this video before I ate lunch because I usually like to do that when I'm doing like try-on hauls and showing, you know, my body. I'm like, I don't want to be like stuffed or bloated, but your girl was hangry today. I couldn't wait, sorry. So if I'm looking a little bloated, you know why. I just ate lunch like 1 minute ago. Anyways, here we go. So super duper cute on a scale of duper cute, like 10. Here, the little sleeves on the side. I wish you guys could feel it, but it's like, gosh, what is that material? It's not just cotton. It's, oh, suede. I think it's suede. It's so soft. So it's a bodysuit. Oh, so it goes all the way up. Ya curves. Ya heard. And so I love bodysuits because they're just like simple, one, you know, cute little shebang bang you can put on the side. So it goes all the way down, and of course it hugs the booty gains nice and right. And then I brought out some new heels to try on with this outfit. Ladies, if you wear a jumpsuit like this, you can dress it up or you can just keep it down and wear some shoes. But this one, to me, that has like the ribbons on the side, it's a little bit more dressier for me. And so your girl loves to get dressed up because I'm in gym clothes on the daily. So when I do, like, little cute heels are always going to be like my choice because I love heels. Now let me just put on this other one. Oh, somebody's bothering me. Got a text message. Just kidding. Correct. Can y'all see my heels? See, this bodysuit just makes you feel nice and sexy, girl. But let me put it down for the heels. So it looks really good with some heels. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, ladies, okay, let me take these bad boys off. Oh, Simba's looking at me like I am loco right now. Simba is my cat, you guys. For those that know, he's featured in most all my videos because he likes to interrupt, but right now he's doing good. So this bodysuit, I definitely would give it a 10 out of 10. And you guys, I'm only gonna be 100% honest when I do these, because I'm not about to have you say that looks cute and then, or me say this is cute and it doesn't feel right, or it's too tight, or and then have you go buy it. Like, no, I'm gonna give you the honest opinion. Like, for one, if you yourself are buying this, female, if you're watching, I would say yes, girl, yes, yes, yes. If you are a male that is buying it for your girlfriend or your wife or whoever, I would say yes, she would love this as a really cute gift. Inexpensive, but great quality. Yeah, so this one is a go for T-Baby. Sorry guys, my hair right now is just acting up. Alright, let's go with number 2. Let's see what number 2 is. This is the brand Shein. Oh, yes, your girl likes this fit. Hey, yes, okay. I think this is another winner vegan chicken dinner. For, I love white. I love white and black. I can wear those colors for my outfits like all the time. If you like matching suits like I do, matching jumpsuits, bodysuits, then you're gonna like this once I stand up. But let me just tell you, this is true to size, very stretchy. I don't know what kind of other, okay, I'm just gonna stand up. So here is the bottoms. They go high-waisted, so right above the belly button. I have this lovely, oh my gosh, soft stripe down the side. And then, you know, it still secures the gains. And a matching top. And you know what? It's very comfortable. Like, even when you're out in the club, you could still be getting it. You could, while you're looking sexy in this outfit. And you could bend down. It's very squat proof, so no matter where you are, you don't have to worry about like your pants almost ripping because they're so tight. It's like one of those, like, it looks fancy, but it also looks casual. So like you could wear this with like heels, or you could wear this with, see, I just personally myself, I would probably wear this with heels. I don't think I could wear this with regular shoes because the bottoms are like, I mean, I could, or some slides, like if I'm just running to the store, but the bottoms are a little bit like, more like boot cut bell bottoms, so I think that looks really cute with like some high heels, maybe some slides, but I think high heels would be like super cute. But yeah, this is really comfortable. It's not too tight. I've had some problems, and those who are gym freaks like me, especially you ladies, you'll know, when you go to order, sometimes you go to order some shirts and it's like, okay, I wanted to get a small, but this is a small for somebody who does not go to the gym. This is a small for somebody who's never lifted a weight in their life or doesn't work out very much. I'm sorry, but this is not a small for people who train upper body and, you know, lower body 6 days a week, because I couldn't even get my arms through some of these shirts that were like a small. I was like, shit, I need like a large or extra large. And I'm like, damn, like my gains were barking. So anyways, I give this outfit definitely a 10 out of 10. It is true to size and it's really comfortable. Like, I actually just want to stay in this. And like I said, if you're wearing this to the club, booty still popping and you can still get it. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, now we have, focus. There we go. We have one more pair of pants, since my other ones didn't go as according. But I need to go get a top for it because it's just pants. And as you guys know, Team T babies, we don't wear bras around here, so I'll be right back. Yes! Okay, so you guys, I just grabbed a sports bra because this look to me is a little bit sporty. Like, I don't know if these are supposed to be like fancy really or both. I literally think you could do both in these. So I put on a sports bra so I could show you, but they're the cutest joggers, but they would also be a cute outfit. So, oh my gosh, I just love comfortable clothes. So they have the two lines and they go all the way down, and on the bottom they are tight, so they're like the jogger ones. And they're super cute and they still hug the gains very nicely. I think I would do both. Let's see what the heels look like. I wouldn't probably necessarily wear these heels because I have like a lot of different other heels, but like I definitely think like some boot heels would look really cute because they're joggers, so at the bottom it goes like, look, perfectly. Oh my gosh, nobody would even know you're wearing like, oh yeah, no one would even know you're wearing like jogger pants because you can totally dress them up. You guys have no idea. If you don't know, well, now you know. But these are really comfortable. These are definitely a different breed. These are like cotton, I think. That's what they feel like, kind of suede cotton, and they're so comfortable, like really. So I would say go with jogger like, or even go with like dress it up and wear like a cute crop top with some heels. Oh, you guys see these gains right here? Your girl's been working. But what are these? These are all V-gains. If you're new to my channel, I am 100% vegan. Okay, let me get back on topic. So yes, these are definitely a go. I would say for sure I give these all a 10 for all three that I chose. They were all really cute and comfortable, and I love stuff like this, like matching sets. I love comfortable like jogger pants that, you know, are a solid color that I can wear like whatever top, cute crop top I want with it, or dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, I will leave the sizes and the links in the description below so you guys can get these two. Cop them yourself or cop them for your girl or your mother or your daughter or whoever. But yes, I just had these three lovely pieces of clothing I had to share with you guys. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to Team T Baby. I hope you subscribed and joined. We got a lot of fun stuff coming and giveaways. And also, you guys that watched my last video, well, a couple days ago, of my jewelry giveaway that's still going, and I'm not announcing it until Friday. And if I might extend it till Saturday if I get some newbies on. But yeah, so go enter in my giveaway because you can win some jewelry. And I'll be doing a lot of other giveaways. I have a few actually more coming soon that might be a little bit more exciting for some other people. Everyone has different tastes and things. So like I said, if you're new, hit that subscribe button somewhere around here. I don't know if you're on your phone or if you got Team T-Baby on full blast on your computer or your TV. And hit the like button so I know y'all like these try-on hauls. I know they do help for before when you buy stuff. And that's it. I love every single one of you, and I'll see y'all in my next video.